This is an equation which has two unknowns in it, p and q. So it's absolutely hopeless trying to solve this equation. You'll never be able to do it. If you make p the subject of the formula, it'll be in terms of q and vice versa. So our only hope is to turn this one equation into two equations, which we'll do by equating real and imaginary parts. So if we just multiply out the brackets, what you can see is that the real part on the left has got to be equal to the real part on the right, and the imaginary part on the left has to be equal to the imaginary part on the right. So we get these two equations. P squared equals 4p and q equals minus p. So now we've got two equations and two unknowns. We can solve them. From equation 1, we can't divide both sides by p because it could be 0. So p squared minus 4p equals 0. Factorise it because it's quadratic. So p equals 0 or 4. Now we use equation number 2 to work out q. When p equals 0, q equals 0. And when p equals 4, q equals minus 4. One more thing to be careful of. The proper way to write the answer is like this, because we've said which value of p goes with which value of q. If you do this, it's going to be horrible. You're going to lose marks there, because someone could think that we could have p equals 0 and q equals minus 4, which is obviously completely wrong. So make sure you don't do that.